The new A8 touches base in the spring of 2018 behind a look that is a sorry takeoff from the present Auto. A more extensive front end, bigger air admissions and slimmer LED headlights coordinate with taillights that traverse the width of the Auto, none of which disturbs its official vehicle mission. Inside, the A8 has wiped almost all the changes and switches from the cockpit, and has supplanted them with touch delicate screens that encompass the driver. Gone, and no love lost, touch you control button. Audi has recast the A8's body and made it more grounded by mixing more materials in with its aluminum outline. The car now has some steel boards, some magnesium pieces, even carbon fiber strengthened plastic that all diminish weight. Audi replaces that weight with engines and batteries. The new A8 is its first model line that is totally electrified, not unadulterated electric, but rather an any-event mellow crossbreed proficient. In the US, another 3.0-liter turbo 6 with a belt driver engine generator and a 48-volt electrical framework hands over another of around 340 torque. Over its life expectancy, the A8 in the US will increase twin-turbo V8 Milo half-and-half models, and a modular crossover version with more batteries and stouter engines, for a 30-mile module driving extent and 449 horsepower net. That A8 e-tron additionally will offer a remote charging framework. The A8 will be fitted with another dynamic suspension that utilizations camera information to foresee and respond to clean street surfaces. Its all-wheel drive framework will be accessible with a back differential. Another back-wheel controlling framework will dial in as much as 5 degrees of inverse cow as speeds under 37 miles per hour, for unrivaled parking garage moves. At last, on the innovation front, Audi's new cluster of laser and radar sensors and cameras will give the A8 Level 3 self-driving capacity, which implies the Auto will take control of directing and braking and increasing speed uncertainly, until the point when it faculties higher street speeds, impediments it can't right for, or other more mind-boggling driving circumstances. Audi trusts it will have the capacity to offer the framework in the US, yet that won't come until the point when states and the government concur on how self-driving autos can be made legitimate to work foundationally.